All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you do not already know, we're looking at AMP here. AMP is one of the tokens mentioned in the SEC debacle with Coinbase. But just looking here, you can see the social engagement mentions are up. The price is up 0.5%, not much to speak of. The market cap 0.6. And just wanted to point out, people are talking about it. SEC just called this a security. And we all know what happened with XRP. XRP's been tied up with the SEC for a while now. I actually own XRP on a wallet and on an exchange, and I can't touch any of it. It's just sitting there. So, just a little warning: if you own any of these, you can see there's 9 listed here: Flexa, Amp, Rally. So just take a look at these right here. If you are in on any of these, just kind of keep an ear out because if it gets involved in a lawsuit and you know Coinbase and Crypto.com, whatever exchange you use, decides that they're not going to make it tradable anymore, like XRP, then it's just going to sit there and you're not going to be able to touch it. I did watch a couple of YouTube videos this morning. Uh, some of them were saying there's information out there. I can't find it. That there's actually up to about 25 cryptos named as securities by the SEC over on Coinbase. But you never know what'll happen with them. A couple of the YouTubers I watched, they mentioned they did sell their AMP and they put that money into something else just to be safe. So just a little heads up there. If you do own a bunch of AMP or any of these listed here, you might want to just keep an eye on them because they could get locked up to where they're not tradable anymore if things get tied up in the court systems or something like XRP. So yeah, but just looking at AMP here on the chart, just for what the chart's telling us, you can see this purple line I have drawn here. There's clear support here, so that's the price to hold for now. The news of AMP being labeled a security and that Coinbase debacle has not done anything to the price. You would expect people to sell off and for the price to drop. So people are spreading FUD. I'm not trying to do that here. I'm just simply letting you know that it was named. It is in the mouth of the SEC, so that's never a good thing. But looking here, if you lose the 786 at 009, your next stop is the bottom of the fib here for about a 6% move to 008. So just kind of watch that price here and then the 008 there. And if, people start selling their AMP because of all the fear, you watch for that 6% move almost to 008, and then the bottom could fall out and it could fall all the way down here to the 1618 for another 21% move down here to 007. So I would just kind of keep an eye on that. But like I said, as of now, nothing's really going on with it. But it is very early, in the news. So maybe a lot of people haven't heard of that yet. But if we draw another line up here, you can see this is where we're finding resistance at. So it's kind of just getting sandwiched right now. So just watch the 786 to the downside, and I'm not even going to bother drawing another fib. If we do in fact move up from where we are now, this golden pocket area you can see up here is resistance. So I would watch 0094 for a break to the upside for about a 4.5% move up. So just kind of watch that. Other than that, it's just kind of going to go sideways for now. So, but yeah, without making this too long, just watch that price 009 to the downside and 0094 for any kind of momentum to the upside. And as always, thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and peace out.